Welcome student. Now today's we learn about the second chapter of Science and Technology part first for the 9th standard. The name of the chapter is that work and energy. Students, we discuss about the previous standard from 5th to 8th standard about the work. Now we discuss the first concept, that is the work. Now look these four pictures and observe carefully and telling about the performed by work. Okay, that is the concept of work. In first picture is that a girl writing or studying. Second picture, boy playing ball. Third picture, a girl watching TV. And fourth picture, a man carrying or lifting a bag. Now we discuss about them work. Okay. In this picture, two people perform mental work and two people perform physical work. The mental work carried by the both girls. First girl is writing and second girl is watching. Both works are related to the brain, that is the mental activity, and both people, that is the boys and men, perform physical works. They do the physical activities, that is playing or carrying or lifting. Okay, now the work is at two activities. First is mental activity and second is physical activities. In generally, mental activities or physical activities referred to as the work. But in science, not mental or physical activities referred to as the work. In physics or in science, when object that is this is the duster. When we force apply in this direction, then it causes the displacement from this place to this place. Then displacement occurs. When displacement occurs, by acting the force, the work is done. म्हणजेच काय, जेव्हा एखाद्या वस्तूवर फोर्स अप्लाय केल्यानंतर त्या वस्तूचे विस्थापन होते तेव्हाच वर्क घडलं असं म्हटलं जातं. ठीक आहे. मग आता कोणते in generally work is said to be done by when force acting on the body which causes displacement of the object. It's called work. Now we discuss about the concept of work in performed by equation. Suppose this is the object. When force applied in this direction, the object first placed at the position A. When force applied towards in this direction, then the object displaces the position from A to B. Then it covers the distance, that is the displacement. That is the displacement. Now the displacement is written as symbol S. Force symbol M. Okay. Now when force applied in this direction, then object displaces their position from A to B and covers the displacement S. That is the work done. Now the definition of work is that there are two words are most important. First is force and second is displacement. Now the definition about this force and displacement. Remember the two words, that is the force and displacement. Now the definition is that when force applied on the object to cause displacement of the object, it's called work done. Now again we repeat the definition. When force applied on the object to cause displacement of the object, it's called work done. There are two sentences. Two words most important. First is force and second is displacement. Okay. Now we remember that or already seen the another definition of work in previous standard, that is the work done by the force acting on the body is equal to the product of magnitude of force and displacement in the direction of force. That is the now simple definition is that work done is equal to the product of magnitude of force and magnitude of displacement. Okay. Now according to this definition, we write down the formula, that is the work is equal to force into displacement. Now the simple formula is that the work is equal to force into displacement. Now this formula write in the symbol. Symbol of work is the first letter W, that is the capital letter W. W for work. Now the first letter F, force symbol of F into this symbol of displacement is S. Now the formula work is equal to W is equal to F into S. Now we also written as the W is equal to F S. This is the formula of work. Okay. Now we have to learn about the concept of work. Now in that concept of work, now the definition, two definition, and that is the formula. First definition is that when force apply on the body to cause the displacement of the object, it's called work done. And second definition by according to the formula, that is the work done is equal to the product of magnitude of force and displacement towards according to the force. Okay, this is the two definitions, and formula is W is equal to F into S. Now this is the definition according to when force apply in this direction and displacement occur also in this direction. But also in many cases when force apply in this direction and displacement occurs in this direction. Also force apply on this in this direction and no displacement occurs. Then also we said that work. Now according to this, when force apply and force and displacement have two directions. Now the formula for this condition we calculate as. So also look at in this picture, in three pictures. In first picture is that a girl push a table. Okay. Now we carry this activity in at home. Push the table. Now the pushing the table, our hands are in the direction and table are in the direction. Okay. And pushing this table, force apply in this direction and table displacement in this direction. Okay. Now the second picture is that in second picture a little girl pulls the toy car, and third picture towing a car by the another car. ओके. म्हणजेच काय, पहिल्या चित्रामध्ये एक मुलगी टेबल ढकलते आणि दुसऱ्या चित्रामध्ये एक लहान मुलगी एक खेळणं ओढते, तिसऱ्या चित्रामध्ये एक गाडी दुसऱ्या गाडीला ओढते. परंतु ओढताना किंवा फोर्स अप्लाय करताना प्रत्येकाचा एक अँगल आहे. आता इथं पहा, इथं फोर्स अप्लाय केलेला आहे पुश या डायरेक्शन आहे, परंतु डिस्प्लेसमेंट या डायरेक्शन झाली. दुसऱ्या चित्रामध्ये समजा एक प्लेन कार आहे. ठीक आहे. मुलगी या डायरेक्शनने फोर्स अप्लाय करते, म्हणजे फोर्स या डायरेक्शनने असतं आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट इकडे होते. तिसऱ्या चित्रामध्ये दोन कार आहेत. फर्स्ट कार, दिस इज द सेकंड कार, आणि लिफ्टिंग या डायरेक्शन होते, म्हणजे इथे परत अँगल तयार होतो. म्हणजे प्रत्येक ठिकाणी काय अँगल तयार झालेला आहे. कशामध्ये? फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट मध्ये. जेव्हा अशी कंडिशन असेल तेव्हा वर्क कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आता आपण ते पाहूया. Suppose this is the toy car and this is the train by both the girls and force apply on this direction, and displacement occurs in this direction. Okay. Now we calculate the work according to this condition. Now force main force apply in this direction, that is the F. Now our definition, the force acting on the object towards the direction of force acting on the object to cause displacement of the object towards the direction of force. आता डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स म्हणजे डिस्प्लेसमेंट या दिशेने झालेले आहे कुणाच्या फोर्सच्या, परंतु मग आधी इथे फोर्स असणार आहे. दुसऱ्या गोष्ट आपण म्हणू कोणतं? F1. डिस्प्लेसमेंट या डायरेक्शन आहे, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इथं घडतंय. ओके. समजा आता आपण या पॉइंट पासून इकडे परपेंडिक्युलर टाकला तर एक राईट अँगल तयार झालेला आहे. टू फॉर्म द राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल, नाव इट इज नेम एज ट्रायंगल ABC, and angle between force and displacement is at theta. ओके, म्हणजे फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट यांच्यामध्ये जो अँगल तयार झालाय त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, थीटा. नाव काय दिलं त्याला, थीटा. इट नेम ॲज द थीटा. ओके, नाव वी कन्सेप्ट अबाउट द वर्क, दॅट इज वर्क इज इक्वल टू, that is W is equal to F into S. Okay, but now in this force, आता या डायग्राम मध्ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट या डायरेक्शन झाले, कोणत्या फोर्स नुसार झाले, F का F1, कोणत्या नुसार झाले, F1. म्हणून आपण इथं कोणता घेणार आहे, F1. ठीक आहे, मग आता आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू कुणाची काढायची, या F1 ची. मग आता इन ज्योमेट्री और मैथमेटिक्स पर सेकंड they have the one chapter trigonometry. There are 6 ratio. First is sine, second is cos, third is tan, fourth is cot, fifth is sec, and sixth is cosec. Now we have discussed about the second ratio, that is the cos theta is equal to, cos theta's formula as adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Formula is that cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta and upon hypotenuse. ठीक आहे, आता इथं थीटा पहा, या इथे थीटा आहे. ऍडजस्टंट साइड म्हणजेच काय, शेजारची बाजू. आता थीटाच्या शेजारी दोन बाजू आहेत, एक कोणती आहे, AC, आणि दुसरी आहे BC. आता AC काय आहे, या राईट अँगलच्या अपोजिट आहे, म्हणून तो काय आहे, हायपोटेनस. मग आता हायपोटेनस मिळाला, मग आता ऍडजस्टंट साइड राहिली कोणती, फक्त BC. मग आता फॉर्म्युला काय आहे आपला, cos theta is equal to adjacent side BC upon hypotenuse AC. आता व्हॅल्यू पुट करू, cos theta as it is equal to BC किती आहे, F1 upon AC F. आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू कुणाची काढायची, या F1 ची. मग आता F1 इथे आलाय, मग F इकडे डिवाइड, इकडे नंतर काय होणार, मल्टिप्लाय. आपण इकडे लिहितोय, दॅट इज F cos theta is equal to F1. Therefore F1 is equal to F cos theta. आता F1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय मिळाली आपल्याला, F cos theta. आता ही व्हॅल्यू आपण जर इक्वेशन मध्ये पुट केली, मग आपलं फॉर्म्युला काय, W is equal to F1 S. आता F1 ची व्हॅल्यू काय, F1 व्हॅल्यू ऑफ F1 is F cos theta, that is F cos theta into S. आता cos theta आपण सगळ्यात शेवटी लिहू, म्हणजे काय होणार आहे, S cos theta, that is the W. Now the another formula of work is Fs cos theta. First formula is Fs. हा फॉर्म्युला केव्हा वापरायचा, जेव्हा फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट या दोघांमध्ये अँगल तयार होईल, तेव्हा फॉर्म्युला कोणता येणार आहे, Fs cos theta. ओके, ठीक आहे, धन्यवाद.